Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to another important video. Today I am telling you unique nature of carbon atom. Carbon show some unique properties like tetravalency of carbon atom, catenation, isomerism. We will discuss all these important properties of carbon atom in this lecture, and these properties are very useful from class 10th standard to 11 and 12 standard. So this is the basic of organic chemistry and you have to prepare it very well. So first point is unique nature of carbon atom. Carbon shows some unique properties. These unique properties are three. Number one, tetravalency of carbon atom. Number two, catenation. Number three, isomerism. We will discuss these properties one by one. So look here. Unique nature of carbon atom. First, tetravalency of carbon atom. Second, catenation. Third, isomerism. So first we will discuss this property, catenation, tetravalency of carbon atom. Dear student, कर लो माइंड में फिक्स. एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इज 6. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ कार्बन इज 2,4. कर लो माइंड में श्योर. ओके, कर लो माइंड में फिक्स. एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इज 6. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 2,4. माइंड में कर लो श्योर. लास्ट में इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट है 4. सो वैलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन इज 4. लुक हियर डियर स्टूडेंट, टेट्रावैलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन एटम. सिंबल ऑफ कार्बन एटम C. Atomic number of carbon atom 6. Its electronic configuration 2,4. In the last cell 4 electron present. So carbon neither lost 4 electron nor gain 4 electron to become stable. Carbon share these 4 electron to other atom to become stable. And this property of carbon atom, by which it share 4 electron form 4 covalent bond with other atom, is called tetravalency of carbon atom. 4 electron present in last cell, so carbon is called, valency of carbon is 4 and carbon is called tetravalent atom. I am telling you again, atomic number of carbon is 6, electronic configuration of carbon is 2,4. In the last cell 4 electron present in carbon atom. Carbon neither lost 4 electron nor gain 4 electron to become stable to complete its octet. It share its 4 electron with other atom to form covalent bond. So these 4 covalent bond, okay, 4 electron present in the last cell of carbon atom. So valency of carbon is 4 and this property is called tetravalency of carbon atom. Okay students, next point, catenation. What is catenation? Self linking of carbon atom to form long straight chain, branch chain and cyclic chain. This is cyclic chain, triangle. Again I am telling you, catenation, self linking of carbon atom to form straight chain, branch chain and cyclic chain is called catenation. So look here, what is catenation? Self linking of carbon atom. Self linking of carbon atoms to form straight chain, This is straight chain. Okay, what is this? This is straight chain. Branch chain. This is branch chain. This is branch chain. And next is cyclic chain. Cyclic chain. This is cyclic chain. This is cyclic chain. Or this is also cyclic chain. This is also cyclic chain. So what is catenation? I am telling you last time. Self-linking of carbon atom. Self-linking of carbon atom to form a straight chain. Self-linking of carbon atom to form straight chain, branch chain, and the cyclic chain is called catenation. Okay, students. Next point is isomerism. What is isomerism? What is isomerism? Compound having same molecular formula but different structural formula. What is isomerism? Compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula is called isomer, and this phenomenon is called isomerism. Compound having same molecular formula but different structural formula is called isomer, and this phenomenon is called isomerism. So look here, what is isomerism? With example, isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula but different structure formula. Compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula is called isomer, or we can say are called isomers. And this phenomenon is called isomerism. Most important question for board exam. This question come in the class 10th board exam in the year 2019, and CBSE board last 10 years 7 times come in board exam. ICSE board last 10 years 6 to 7 times come in board exam. What is the question? Question is write the isomers of pentane. So you have to prepare it. This is most important question. Isomers of pentane. Look here. Isomers. Example of isomerism. Isomers of pentane are isomers of pentane. Dear student, you know very well formula of pentane. Formula of pentane is C5H12. 5 carbon. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. You can draw a structure in this way. Valency of carbon is 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So this is normal chain. So this is called normal pentane. This is called normal pentane. Isomers of pentane are 3. First is normal pentane. Normal pentane. Second, attach this whole to here. ये CH2 है, इसको पूरा उठा के आप इधर अटैच कर दीजिए. ये हट गया यहाँ से और फिर नोट कर लीजिए HHH. ये आपका CH, और जब ये CH2 यहाँ अटैच हो जाएगा तो ये CH2 में एक H जाएगा तो हो जाएगा CH3. CH2 plus 1 H, it become CH3. After this is called 1 2 3 4. This is called isopentane. CH3 whole twice. This is CH3. This is also CH3. CH3 whole twice CH. CH3 whole twice CH. It's called iso. CH3 whole twice CH. It's called iso. Isopentane. Isopentane. Next, attach this whole group here. When you attach this whole group here, it remove from here. We get next structure H. 1 2 3 H. Whole group attach here, it becomes CH3. 1H, 2H, 3H. Okay, in this way 1H, 2H, 3H, and after this downward CH3. After this, remove this, we get 1H, 2H, 3H. 1 2 3. Name of this compound CH3 whole thrice C. It's called neo. Look here, 1 CH3, 2 CH3, 3 CH3. CH3 whole thrice C. CH3 whole thrice C is called neo. So this is called neo. Carbon atoms are 1 2 3 4 5. So this is called neopentane. Neopentane. This is called neopentane. Okay. This last diagram I am showing here because it is not clear. Okay, so I am telling you this diagram again. You have to learn CH3 whole twice CH is called iso, CH3 whole thrice C is called neo. So look here, I am showing this last diagram. First is normal pentane, second is isopentane, third is neopentane. I am showing neopentane diagram here. First you have to attach this CH2 group here. Attach this CH2 group here and note it. CH3, after this C, and when CH2 attach here, it becomes CH3. 1H, 2H, 3H, 1H, 2H, 3H. Remove this. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. This is called CH3 whole thrice C. It's called neo. So 1 CH3, 2 CH3, 3 CH3. CH3 whole thrice C is called neo. So it is called neo. 1 2 3 4 5. Neopentane. This is neopentane. This is neopentane. Okay, students. So important question. Isomers of pentane are. If you write isomers of pentane are: number 1 normal pentane, number 2 isopentane, number 3 neopentane. Okay, students. Other name of this compound is 1 2 3. 2 comma 2 dimethyl and 3 carbon is called pentane. Select the longest chain. 1 2 3. And second number methyl, 2 comma 2 dimethyl and 3 carbon is called pentane. I will tell you IUPAC later in other videos. Students, if you have any problem, then write in comment box and you can ask me personally also. And like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, share it to your all friends. Okay, students.